Angelo at Epi. Epi, fast talk time.
Pwede bang slow talk? Slow talk naman tayo.
Sarap sana,
Wala.
di ba? Okay. Epi, Julio, Agosto.
Julio.
Teleserye, pelikula.
Pelikula.
Comedy, drama.
Comedy.
Pogi, sexy.
Ako?
Oy.
Sexy.
Maginoo, medyo bastos.
Medyo bastos.
Maraming awards, malaking TF.
Malaking TF.
Dolphy, Tito Dolphy o ikaw, mas galante.
Daddy.
Daddy o ikaw, mas matinik sa girls.
Daddy.
It's a tie.
Daddy o ikaw, mas mainitin ang ulo. Humihirit, oh.
Ako.
Daddy o ikaw, mas under sa misis.
Ako.
Guilty or not guilty? Rumesbak sa kapatid.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipagsuntukan sa kapatid.
No.
Iba-ibang away.
Away lang. Pero,
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng babae.
guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nabasted ng artista.
Yaks!
Lights on or lights off?
Ayoko sa artista. Lights on and ayoko mga pa sa dilim.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for
Ang dami
chocolates.
Ano yun?
Best time for chocolates.
Pag may happiness.
Every time.
Basta Quezon.
Sweet lover. Parang driver lang. Parang driver siya.
Ano yung reaction mo kanina? Paano ka nagre-react?
Uy, sus.
You were reacting to Angelo kanina.
Oh, chocolate daw to happiness.
Kaya bumabawi, oh. Bumabawi ka ngayon.
Pero pareho kami dun sa TF, di ba? Iba na pangangailangan na.
Sa inyo na yung award.
Ano?
Sa inyo na yung award.
Sabi ng
Gusto
TF,
mo, bigay ko pa yung award ko eh. Taas ng TF ko eh.
iba na ho buhay ngayon.
Saan na pa
Dali
ako,
lang. May cameras.
Ay, seryo. Nananawagan ho kami. Nananawagan.
Ano yan?
Nananawagan ho kami sa GMA.
Okay, let's go to how did you navigate, from being, one of the hottest stars, you were a kid when you were a superstar, to, who you are today even.
Acceptance is key, Tito Boy. I think I've always had this mentality, what's meant to happen will always happen. So yung acceptance na, eto ka na ngayon, and not living in the past. Kasi nagawa mo na naman, I'm sure you enjoyed it, diba? And I did, for sure. Pero yung to hold on to it,
Oo.
siguro hindi na. Kasi yun lang yung panahon na yun eh.
Yeah.
And to move forward, you have to accept na it was part of God's plan. And if that didn't happen, I wouldn't know who I will be now or
And where you are today.
where I am
Yeah.
today.
Did you get a chance to work with Tito Dolphy?
Yes,
Nag-home
nag-guest
alone
ako.
ka eh.
Yes, nag-guest din ako
Right,
doon.
oo.
Pero not as much as, everyone else.
Right,
Pero I was fortunate enough to be able to, yung nag-launch siya ng book, I was there.
Tama.
Yes.
Pinaka-importanteng leksyon na natutunan mo sa
We
daddy.
always say this, yung paa sa lupa, nakapako. So pag naramdaman mong lumilipad ka, tingnan mo na nakapako yung, siguraduhin mo nakapako yung paa mo sa lupa.
Ganda.
I mean, it's always been my father's biggest lessons to everyone.
Alam niyo kung bakit importante yan? Ang daling lumipad dito sa
Yung mismo
industriya.
sinabi niya, daling lumipad. Ang hirap
daling
lumanding.
lumipad. Correct.
Yes.
Oo. Pero ang landing ang problema. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Tito.
Pulang araw.
Yes.
Mabuhay kayo at mabuhay ang pulang araw.
Yes, pulang araw, every night po sa Netflix, may bagong episodes yan. So, mamaya, may bagong episode na naman yan mamaya. And of course, sa GMA
Sa
din.
GMA, after 24 oras, sa GMA Prime, 8 p.m. po, pulang araw.
Dahil pulang
Nothing
araw,
yet.
may pulang rosas.
Ay, salamat, Tito Boy, as always.
Maraming
you're the
naitay,
sweetest.
kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga puso at tahanan araw-araw. Be kind, make your nanay and tatay proud, and say thank you. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless.